Hi, Mica. You a good girl? Yeah, you like getting this done, don't you? You're not gonna like the bath, but you're gonna like this. Okay. All right, Meek. Good girl. Hit the road, Meek. Of course, by hit the road, I meant turn around. The birds are gonna love all this fur. Okay. Go.
Shake and fan. Shake and fan, okay? Yeah, just this thing a little bit. There we go. There we go. Good, Meeka. Good, Meeka. Yes, you are good, Meeka. Look at you. It's okay, girl. It's okay. It's okay. Mama's right here. Good girl, Meeka. First, I gotta wet you. No! I can take a bath after you, but don't do it now.
Your turn's coming, Kobe. Yeah, you know it.
Come here, Mama.
You know it. It's coming.
Good girl, Meeka. Good girl. Yes, you are. It's okay, girl. It's okay. It's okay. Go. Go, Kobe. Go, Kobe. Go, go, go. You're gonna be next. Good girl. Look at you. This is good shampoo for my girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are a good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Meeka. Look at you. You're going to be so clean and you're going to smell so good. Yeah, good girl. Let me see. Let me see. Hold on. Hold on. I'm not going to hurt you. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. There you go. Get over there, Kobe. Go, go, go. Let me. Good girl, Meeka. You're my girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are my girl. You're my cutie pie. Let me see, Mama. Let me see. Hold on. Hold on. I'm not going to hurt you. Get over there, Kobe. Get over there, Kobe. Oh, good, Meeka. You're doing really good. Yes, you are. Let me do your hind legs, okay? Oh, good, Meeka. Good girl. Okay. Let's do your belly a little bit, okay? Gotta clean that belly. Gotta clean it. You're okay. You're okay, Meeka. Get over here. There we go. Let me do your tail.
Yep.
Take it over there. There's a towel. And
She'll come with me. Let's go, Meek. Come on. Come on, Meek. Yeah. Come on. Are you dry? Are you done?